If you want to know how I got from this to this, then stay tuned for the video. Today we're going to be working with a custom wig make from Kayla Tresses. It is consisting of 3 bundles of 14-inch and a matching closure from the Pure collection. And I really am liking the Pure collection because you can lift this hair as high as 613 without losing the integrity of the hair, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. To get started, you are going to need 20 volume developer as well as 30 volume developer. I just didn't show it. You're also going to need lightener. You're also going to need a pair of gloves. You're going to need a coloring bottle. If you choose to use a bowl, that's fine. You're going to need a bowl. You're going to need a coloring brush. The color we're going to be using today for this look is 12A Frosty Ash from Wella Charm collection. So first things first, you want to use the 20 volume developer and the lightener to get started. She sent me a picture of what she was going for, and based on the picture, it felt like, to me, I knew for sure that I definitely wanted it to be lighter in the front area. So that's what we were getting started with first. And in the front, I didn't want to go all the way to the root. I really wanted to give the illusion of it already have been grown from the scalp. So that's what we were doing today, creating a little ombre technique. So moving along, we didn't need to go and start from the nape area with highlights because the only focus was the top part of the hair. And you'll see that as we move along. The previous step was actually done a second time off camera because I wanted more dimension with the highlights, as you can see. And I also needed to cut it as well so that I wouldn't be wasting product. Next, we are going to empty one of our Frosty Ashes into our coloring bottle. It is a 1:2 ratio. So we're going to be using the whole 2 ounces of color. Next, we are pouring 4 ounces of developer into our coloring bottle as well. It's a 1:2 ratio once again, so that means 1 part of 2 ounces of color, which is 1 tube, and 2 parts of 2 ounces of developer, making 4 ounces, which will give us 6 ounces of color, which is enough for an entire head of hair. So after you shake up your color mixture, you just pretty much evenly disperse it all over the hair. And there's no particular way to do this. You just make sure that it's all over the hair from the top to the bottom. Make sure you comb it through. And then you're going to let this sit for about an hour as well. After our 1 hour was up, we neutralized and shampooed and conditioned, and this was the beautiful result. I love it so much. You can see the dimension that the color took on with the highlights, and you can also see how it lifted the darker hair up to a nice subtle brown, which was exactly what I was going for. It's beautiful. I already had pre-cut it, so I didn't have to waste any product on hair that was going to end up being cut off, and it just turned out lovely. I went ahead and added layers, band, and combs. And if you want to see how I bleach the knots and tone the lace, please be sure to visit my video on that, and it'll also be in the bio as well. And this was the ending result. I hope you guys like my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.